So today we are gonna do post-treatment of our copper zinc MOF. So after putting it in the microwave, we're gonna transfer the mixture to conical tube. We're gonna do the washing with two substances. Firstly, we have the DMF into the conical tube. So we are using DMF so that we could remove the starting materials such as the ligand, which is BDC, and zinc ion. So for our second tube, we must make sure that they have the same weight so that for our centrifugation it will happen successfully. So now we put it into the centrifuge and we must make sure to put it in a symmetrical way so that the weight is balanced and the centrifuge will not be damaged. So our centrifuge is set to 4000 RPM in 10 minutes and we click this part to start the process of centrifugation. So after 10 minutes, we click this button to open the centrifuge.
Yes.
Now we will get the samples.
Yeah.
This is the result of the centrifugation. This is the supernatant and this is the pellet. Now we open the discarded solution container. But now we pour the supernatant into the container. No. For a second washing process, we will be using ethanol. So again, we will repeat the same process. We will put ethanol into the conical tube until the 10 millimeter mark. So before putting the tube inside the vacuuming oven, we need to put a parafilm on the top of the tube and poke some holes in them. So now we open the vacuum oven and put our samples inside. Then we lock the door. We twist. The air cannot go inside the oven. The vacuum. And we plug it to the maximum setting for the vacuum. And we can see that the arrow moves until this part, which means that it is in its vacuum state. Mode for 5 seconds. And then we set the temperature by clicking the buttons up and down. So this represents the second, minute, and hour. And then press mode button one time so we could adjust the time for when we when we turn on this vacuum oven. Okay. So for this experiment, we will be doing 12 hours. Okay, for 5 seconds. Start.